Guys, we got another box. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm just gonna try to get it unboxed. Box. Okay, another name I don't know how to pronounce. Kemove. Whatever. It's a mechanical keyboard by that company. They sent this out. I'm gonna get it open. Ooh. Okay, so in here, it was a protective cover. It's a nice box, okay. So the keyboard. And then there's 3 switches, a green, it's like white or like clear, and then a red. I think they're Gateron. And then there's some stuff in the back, so let's take the keyboard out first. Okay, that is actually sick looking. Set it over here. Then under we have a switch puller and a keycap puller. So that must mean that it's hot swappable, which is awesome. Then we got the cable, the USB-C, and it has another one of those, just like the DK63. Then I pull out these switches. There's a clicky switch, clicky green switch, is it tactile? Doesn't feel tactile. I thought it would be tactile, but just another switch, and then a Gateron red. So that's cool too. I'll put those over here and put this on the ground, and we can actually take a look at the keyboard. This actually looks super cool with the black around, the white keycaps, Bluetooth. Look at the back, it says the brand name. This is actually a sick keyboard. Oh my. And then I think I got, here, I'll use my new keycap puller. I believe they were sending me silver switches, which would be so awesome. Yes, Gateron silver switches. So if you didn't know, I have Cherry MX Silver in here. So I've been using Cherry MX Silver for a long time. Why do these sound? They almost sound better. Stabilizers could use some work. I mean, it is a pre-built. Sorry, I could not speak English right there, but it is a pre-built, so like it makes kind of sense. But stabilizers need some work, but honestly, they're not terrible. Gateron might have actually beat out Cherry in the silver.
Cars, let's go.
Okay, I'm coming. That's sick. Alright, I'll finish this review after church. So yeah, I will see you then. Alright guys, I am back. Here's the keyboard. I'm gonna turn it on, show you guys the lights and stuff. Put on Windows mode. Ooh. So it looks pretty nice. You guys can't see it too well, but I'll go over all the lighting modes in a bit. It has pretty nice lights. I mean, not like the best thing ever. But, yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, what else do we do? I think we could go over the sound test, like the sound of it, with these Gateron Silver, and then we could also compare it to the other keyboard that they've sent out, DK63. So, yeah, let's go to the sound test, I think. And, yeah, these switches are good, so let's go to the sound test. Alright, so honestly, in my opinion, this sounds really good. And I haven't connected it yet, but let me check these keycaps. And maybe they're PBT. They do feel nice. You know what? I think they're PBT. I just don't think they're double shot. The switches, they're good. Gateron silvers are actually good. I don't know if it's just the board or what, but this thing sounds better than my Ducky One Too Many with Cherry MX silvers. And that's saying something. So the stabilizers, decent, better than these. Listen, that's a big difference, so that's important. These ones are okay, could be worse. Yeah, that's not bad compared to other cheaper boards. And I'm not saying this one's bad, but the stabilizers is the thing in my video that I said really needs to work, because everything else isn't too bad. It's kind of just like the cheaper version of this board. So yeah, the switches are good. Gateron silvers, I'm a fan. I mean, I don't think they're bad at all. I think they're actually really good. And the build, like, it looks cool, like with the black. That looks super neat on the sides. RGB is not bad. We got the plug, Bluetooth, Windows and Mac compatibility. You got flip up feet on the back, so if you want the angle. What else? We got 2 rubber feet. The Kemove, I think it's Kemove. I don't really know how to say the name, but the branding on the back, which is also pretty cool. And I mean, yeah, I think I could let me hook it up to the computer, see the Bluetooth. Hold down function and then Z. Alright, it's blinking. So, oh, there we go. Kemove 61M input. And there we go. It's all set up. So yeah, I mean, there's not really many negatives on this thing. I mean, it's kind of like a Bluetooth better Ducky One Too Many that's also cheaper. I mean, I don't really know. It's pretty good, honestly. It's pretty good. So I guess we can go through the RGB modes now, and then just have my final thoughts and a little comparison to this. And yes, let's go to some RGB. Okay, one last thing I want to check is the hot swappability, because it comes with a switch puller. So I really want to, let me make sure on the box first, but Gateron silver. I want to get my escape key out, and there we go. I'm gonna substitute one of these in. It's like some kind of like kill, or not kill, Gateron like clear or something. I don't really know. Just another linear switch. Try this out. Put this back on. Hot swap keyboards, it makes life a lot easier. I mean, not having them soldered in is kind of annoying if you really are worried about that. But like with this, you can kind of hear the switches move. I don't know if you guys could, but you can kind of hear the switches move. But I don't think it's a big deal for many people. So yeah, I think that'll be my review for this Kemove, I guess DK61, like I don't know, bro. Snowfox, Shadow Snowfox mechanical keyboard with Gateron silvers. So yeah, thank you for sending this out to me, Kemove. I'm just gonna say that. Thanks for sending this out to me, Kemove. I really appreciate it, and I hope these reviews are okay. And if any other keyboard companies looking or is wanting somebody to review anything, just let me know. And also, we're at like 1.83 or something K subs. We are getting close to 2K. So let's say like if we get to 2K before Halloween, I'll do something stupid. Put in the comments below like a TikTok dance or like hot sauce something. I don't even know, some kind of punishment that I could do, or multiple things that I could do for 2K subs. Like for 1K, I drank hot sauce while I filmed a video. I did a TikTok dance, and yeah, I don't remember, but yeah, that's the stuff I did for 1K last Christmas. So if you guys want me to do something stupid, let's get to 2K by Halloween. We got a month, so that'd be really awesome, and that means a lot to me. So thank you guys for subscribing. We've been doing pretty well lately, and yeah, I hope this was an okay video and hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, use code Stoops-1 in the Epic Games Store, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.